Hey guys, Carson here today. So today I want to make baklava. That is a Turkish Greek pastry. Super good, delicious. So to start off with, we're going to make our syrup because it has to cool before we can add it to our hot baklava. We're going to add water, cinnamon sticks, and some lemon zest. Take this over here. All right, so we're going to bring that to a boil. And then as soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to stop it. All right, so while we're doing this, we want to take a brush with some water and brush down the sides of the pot so our sugar doesn't crystallize. And we're not looking for a candy temperature. We're just looking for the sugar to get melted, which it has. So we've got our syrup and we're just going to pour in our honey. We're going to start assembling our baklava. So we're just going to start with melted butter. All right, so we've got some phyllo dough sheets. You can get these in the grocery store in the freezer section. All right, so we're just gonna start layering layer by layer. Now we have about 15 layers in our base. We're gonna start our filling. I'm gonna do walnuts today. We're gonna add some freshly ground cinnamon to it, some nutmeg. Mix this together good. We're gonna cool it, slice it, and get it in the oven. All right, so we're gonna pour on our syrup that we made earlier. It's cooled down now. All right, we just let this cool down and then serve and enjoy.